Y'all, this is how I be looking right in the morning, like right in the morning. Good morning. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Monet here. Oh, I'm sounding crusty. I haven't used my voice yet today. I wanted to start this video early, but I ended up sleeping until 11. Girl, damn. I did brush my teeth though, so the morning breath is not kicking you through the screen. Don't worry. I wanted to start this video with a little skincare. I'm using my toner. I have a full skincare video on my channel if y'all want to check that out. I slept with the robe curls in. You can see like a little robe thing. And I'm super excited to show you guys my foundation routine for my makeup. I feel like I haven't done an updated one in a while on my YouTube channel. Also, there's a lot of new people out here, new subs on the YouTube channel. So if this is your first like official video you've watched of me, welcome, girl. You better stay for a while because I got some good plans for my YouTube channel. I plan on getting a vlog camera this weekend, y'all. No one told me how expensive they were. I mean, I assumed. I know there's big bulky cameras that are like really nice quality, which are gonna be like, I don't know, $700, $800, $1,000, like for real quality ass cameras. But I figured like a little vlog camera was gonna be like, I don't know, I thought like maybe 300, 500. But the one that I'm decided on, Sony ZV-1, and that bitch is $700. So y'all better subscribe. Just doing more vlogs and more stuff, and I'm so excited because I'm currently filming on my phone. And it's just not working anymore because the storage, y'all, it's just not working anymore. So let's get into this robe routine really quick. I sleep with a little scarf on like this. I've collected mine throughout the years. I'm not even sure where I got that one. Most of them are thrifted, and then I'll just wash them. And every time I do this, they come out different. These look pretty good. I feel like they're gonna listen to me today. This determines a lot, and it looks pretty good. Oh, y'all, the hair smells so good. I washed it literally 4 days ago and it still smells so fucking good. I've been using the L'Oreal Elvive. Ooh, this side looks good. Okay, y'all. It does not look bad. So I'm actually gonna clean my room, put on some good clothes, put on a damn bra and everything, and then I'll be right back and then we can get into the foundation routine. I actually wanna show you my fit really quick. Okay, so I hit H&M again yesterday. I got one crop tee like this, but it was a dark gray. I did a try on haul on my TikTok, y'all, if you wanna go check it out. So I had to go back and get literally every other color because I love this freaking I mean, little crop tee. So these are the colors that I got. Like a little basics collection. I got these little sweats from H&M also. I got these shirts in a size small. I think I can link it on the screen. I'm pretty sure I can find them for you. If any of you guys were curious, if you guys actually watch my Zara haul on TikTok, I went and got a smaller size of the leather pants. Lastly, I got some like biker shorts. No, sweat shorts. Yo, these are like my favorite thing ever. The thick band from H&M is everything. I'm obsessed. So hopefully I can link that stuff for you guys. And I also got me some fake fucking Yeezys, y'all. Period. You know I'm not paying that price tag. You guys see it? This was like my back to school shopping. I got these at a kiosk in the mall. So yeah, I'm just really liking my fit today. Very basic, but that's all your girl needs. Sorry, I keep talking so much. Oh my gosh. Alien Goddess by Mugler. Girl, you smell good, you feel good, you look good, period. So let's get into it. This is my favorite setup for my necklaces. Tres Colorio. But I make Michael 50 for half off your order if you want to get into it. So I'm opening my handy dandy makeup box. And I'm really in the mood today, honestly. This has been my favorite for my face recently. This is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This is in the shade Deep. This is the deepest, darkest shade that they have in the collection, which is... I might cancel them for that. I know there are darker queens out there and they can't experience this. Wrong. Let me actually prime my skin first. This is Thorn Oil by Rituel de Fille. It is a primer, a makeup primer, and I just really like it. I really do. I never really wear primer, but I just feel like, especially with the cream bases that I've been wearing recently, I feel like this just really lets it blend super nice. And I'm scared wearing this white shirt in this video because I'm going to be using all my brown ass makeup. So now that we primed my face using the Thorn Oil, I'm going to take some of this It Cosmetics CC cream on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take this Refi Duo brush, you guys. This fucking brush is so exciting to me. I stipple it on the back of my hand, and then I'll go in like circular motions around the majority of my face. I also want to try something different today for my foundation. So I'm gonna put this on like the center of my face. And then I'm gonna take this Born This Way foundation, which is a little bit darker, and I'm gonna take it kind of around the edges of my face to see if it gives more of like a seamless coverage. So I was like thinking about this last night in bed, and I was like, I wanna try it. And you know what? It's actually not even that dark. Whoa. Because I tried this in the winter, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's not even that dark. Okay, well, I'm sure this will blend really nicely because y'all know this formula is iconic. Holy shit, I really got my summer tan going on right now, huh? Because this used to be so dark on me. Wow, I really thought this was gonna be dark. But I do love the Born This Way foundation. And I like using this brush. And then I go in with the Beauty Blender, which really brings it to life. No matter how many sponges I try, nothing is like a damn Beauty Blender. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, nothing is like a Beauty Blender. You know what, Miss Girl? I probably look orange as hell on camera, don't I? That's usually how it be, though. I don't mind the base being too orange or yellow because my undertones are those. And I do go in with a lot of contour and bronzer that will even it out. And highlight, and concealer and highlight, which gives dimension to your face anyway. This is not what your whole face is going to look like. It's good to know your undertone. I feel like neutral is good for kind of everyone, like a neutral undertone. There's like a pink undertone. There's a yellow undertone. Some foundations have like a cool tone. So it's good to know like when you're shopping. Sometimes they'll have like N, C, W, and that means warm, cool, neutral. Just so you know, just in case some of the girls didn't know. So this is what the foundation looks like. I do love using those two. This is in the shade Chai, just in case anyone is curious. I will be linking everything down below. This is the first time I'm really trying to up my YouTube game, so I'm gonna be there for y'all. Like if you need anything, check the bio. Most likely I will link it. So next thing I'm gonna go in with is my contour stick. This is the Morphe Dimension Stick in Effect 18. I do this every time. I'm like, do I want to contour right now? I'm like, am I just moving on right now? Some people have told me to try it higher on my cheekbone. I'm gonna try it a little higher. Something like that, which feels so weird. Because I usually do it like in my cheekbone, like here. I take it across my forehead like that. I've been doing it on my jawline, which I usually don't, but I've just been feeling it, so. I think I'm gonna take out my nose while I'm here too. Why not? Because this shit blends so nicely. I'm also gonna take this Morphe brush. This came in a brush set. It doesn't have a name or anything. I'm not sure if they sell it individually. Does that make my face look lifted? To be honest, does that make my face look more lifted? So I go in with my cream products first, and then when I set my face, that's when I go in with my powder stuff to warm up my face. Contour is supposed to be cool toned because it's supposed to give the illusion of a shadow, and shadows are cool toned. Bronzer is a powder, or obviously you can do a cream bronzer, but bronzer is supposed to be a warming effect to the face, like your kind of sun-kissed. So those are going to be warm undertones, and contour is going to be cool undertones. Can you guys tell me what kind of videos you want to see, please? Like, I really want to just make an agenda of like videos that I want to make, and I have all the basics on my channel, but I really would like to see what you guys want to see. Like, what the majority. Do you guys like vlogs? Do you guys like makeup videos? What else do you want to see? Please let me know. So I'm gonna be doing an eye look on TikTok today. I'm actually gonna plug it in this video so you guys can watch it. Taking the Refi brow pencil, and this is in the darkest shade. The brows kind of look good, girl, huh? So I'm actually gonna take some of the Refi brow gel thingy, and I'm gonna put a little bit just to kind of keep them in place, just a little bit. Okay, so while I'm here, before I go and do my eyes off camera, Miss Girl conceals her brows. The fuck? Her name is Ella. I'll put her picture right here. I'm doing this look on TikTok for my eyes, so you can see her brows are like super concealed, and she really sets her lids. So I'm gonna try to, I don't really ever do that, so we'll see how this goes. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer, y'all. I fucking love this. Conceal and Define in the shade C13. I guarantee that they will have your shade. Their undertones are absolutely amazing. I have like 3 different shades that match my face like perfectly. Okay, so I think this is what I'm gonna leave you guys with. It is killing me, my under eyes right now. I want to set them, I want to put concealer on them so bad. I'm gonna take some of my powder and set my eyelids so they don't crease. I'm taking the Anastasia setting powder in Deep Peach, y'all. This shit is so good. I love the undertone. It's like, it's not banana powder, but it's like the banana powder sister, like big, like baddie big sister. My stupid ass. I'm actually gonna take this C13.2 concealer and just do my mustache here. So I'm gonna go do that off camera. I'll put the TikTok right here. I'm scared, y'all. I'm gonna be following Ella's smoky liner tutorial, and this girl makes it look so easy. So I'm gonna see if I can do it like Miss Girl. Okay. I'm gonna make the initial smoky wing with a brown eyeshadow. Okay, then she takes a liner. Okay, ciao. Then she takes a black shadow and smudges it. Here goes the peel reveal. Okay. God damn, that's a long ass line. Then she takes the inner corner. I hate doing this, y'all. I hate the inner corner thing, but we already here. Okay, but the next part, oh my god, I hate that. The next part is concealer, which I'm so excited about. Okay. And Miss Girl does not hold back, so I'ma just... Those are pretty even, girl. Not me snapping. Not these lashes bringing me the fuck to life. I'm also terrified of putting black on my waterline because it makes my eyes just look sus. But we following through with the tutorial, okay? Honestly... Wait, I kind of fuck with it. It just looks so cool. Like, I never do shit like this. This is fun. Okay, we're almost done. I'm gonna just smudge a little bit. Okay. She also makes the freckles look so freaking easy. And she literally goes dot, 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 and then she goes dot, dot, dot. She just does a little bit. She does some liner. Are we gagged? What do we think? I'm feeling foxy, sexy. Like, this is drama for me. Where am I going? Okay, y'all. Damn. Y'all might need to try this one out. Okay, besties. Damn. This is where we're at in the face right now. What do you guys think of the eyes? They look absolutely like intense and like, I don't know, captivating. I just feel like I haven't done something this dramatic ever, and I really fuck with it though. So I did this side of the face, but I saved this side for you guys so I can continue showing you the products that I use. So I'm going in with this e.l.f. bronzer highlight duo. I only use the bronzer, and I got this so long ago that everything's like rubbed off of it. Oh wait, it says Turks and Caicos on the back, so maybe that's like the duo, what it's called. So I also put the concealer on, the C13 under my eye here, and then I did set with the Anastasia setting powder in Deep Peach. So I'm gonna take this bronzer like all over, just up here. You can see how it's warming up my face. Love it on my forehead. This is like, I just love the forehead moment because I just feel like it just looks so good. I love a good dome. Next, I'm gonna take this Frankie Rose Cosmetics blush in Sienna. And whenever I forget to do cream contour, cream blush, which is a lot of the times actually, I try to, I don't know why I've been forgetting it, but I love the Makeup by Mario stick in the shade Earthy Pink. And I usually always go in with this Dior highlight. I'm gonna do this first. It's such a beautiful, skin reflecting pearl highlight. It's so beautiful to me. But I kind of want some drama, and I'm gonna take the Pat McGrath palette. And I could do this one, this iridescent one, and just be super dramatic. I really like that one. Or I can take the gold. Not me scratching the palette, oh my gosh. I'm actually gonna take this crazy one. And I'm gonna mix them, Ready? That is the craziest shit I've ever seen. Hold on. Oh my god, y'all. Wow. We're here. The look is dramatic already. Why the fuck not? And I'm gonna take both of those shadows too on my inner corner. Oh wait, no. I have stuff there. Where should I put this? I'm gonna put this like under. Oh, let me take it on my nose. Holy shit, y'all. I feel so like amazing. This is really fun. This is like a really fun makeup look. I don't ever really do crazy shit. I just do my basics, you know. And I was supposed to show you my basics in this video, but this is kind of just like some major tea. So I'm actually wearing strands lashes in the style Luxe, and you can use the code Monet10 for some money off your order if you want to go check those out. I hope that this video was helpful or fun, and I hope I hit my marks for the base routine. I hope that that was helpful. I know this look is really dramatic, but I hope it was fun to watch. I really like the highlight. It is so dramatic, and even the little freckles, even though they're really low-key, I love them. The eye look is like really fun, and it was not that hard to achieve. So we did like a little smoky liner. I didn't really get to show you here, honestly, and like the gloss is like giving for me. So see, makeup makes me feel so happy. Like I just can't stop smiling. It's just like, it's fun. So now I'm like terrified to be in my room whenever I have makeup on like this, because I'm like, my shirt, I'm gonna get something on it, I'm gonna get something on my bed. So I'm gonna sit right the fuck here. Make sure to like and subscribe, y'all. If this is your first video, welcome. I hope you stay a while. And for returning subscribers, hey girl, thanks for supporting your girl. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate you and I love you. And leave a comment, please, what else you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.